credit look like this.
It's time to take the trash out, kids. Pack up that nasty, stinky bag.
Dump that sucker in that nasty trash can, be done with it.
Hey y'all, Lauren Bilgero, aka The Solutionist here. Did your credit stink? Is it time to take out the trash? Is it overflowing with garbage? And you're not getting approved for the loans and the money that you're requesting? It's time to get a hold of your educator, your advocate, Total Solution Trust. We'll teach you how to restore and to remaster your credit profiles so that you can make the big purchases that you need to grow and learn how to create new streams of income. So when it's time to take the trash out, make sure you're calling Total Solution Trust to restore and remaster your credit profile so you don't need to keep suffering from the ill effects of poor credit. Check in the comments for all of the links that you're going to need to get a hold of us. Again, I'm Lauren Bilgero, Total Solution Trust. See you next time.